my mental health has taken a toll.
Waking up at a reasonable time, running so I get some vitamin D, eating, doing homework, eating again, doing more homework.
A video diary is a personal view of how you see your world. It often includes candid reactions and thoughts, spoken right to the camera.
So I have a bunch of plants set up in my room.
Now I'm going to join a Zoom call with my friends. I think they're watching.
You can use your phone to film a video diary, but first you need to clean the front lens with a soft cloth and turn off notification sounds. Next, check your settings. For iPhone, scroll down to Camera, then Record Video, and choose 1080p at 30 frames per second. Then go to Camera, Formats, and choose Most Compatible. Next, prepare your room. You should sit at least 6 feet from a wall behind you. Look carefully at the background and remove any distracting objects. If possible, natural light from a window or door should illuminate your face from the front or side. Once you've found a good spot, prop up your phone using a shelf or books and try to put the phone right at eye level. If the phone is too low, the camera will look up towards your nose. You'll look your best if it's right at eye level. Next, listen to your room. Do you hear any sounds you could turn off? Recording from 2 to 3 feet away from your phone should give you a pretty decent audio recording. Now do a test. Record yourself talking and looking right into the phone's camera lens.
Hi, my name is Omar, and I'm planning 10th grade this year.
Then watch your test to make sure you are framed and lit properly, that the sound is good and the background is clear. Finally, you are ready to record yourself. Try to answer in full sentences that restate the question.
I've been quite stressed with this whole distance learning situation because I've been getting lots of work from my teachers.
As much as you can, try to relax and be yourself. It's okay to be funny or make mistakes. Your viewers just want to get to know you and hear what you have to say.